This is the Mazda CX-3 facelifted version. Looks the same, but with much improvements and a cheaper price tag. The CX-3 was priced at $126,000 when first launched, and this new facelifted version is now priced at $121,000 on the road. This model also comes with a 2-litre Skyactiv engine with G-vectoring control, which the previous model does not have. Now let's look at some of the changes to the looks of this car. The front grille has changed from a 7-stroke grille to a double 4-stroke grille, much neater. Fog light previously had a chrome housing, but now it sports a glossy black finishing, and right below it is the new trimmings. Nothing much has changed on the side of the car except for the rims. It now has more grooves and edges to it to give it a more 3D look. The most noticeable change will be rear lights with this circular design just like his older brother the CX-5. Other than that, everything else is identical with the previous model. The interior still has that premium feel, and Mazda has added this beautiful suede across the dashboard and also the side panel. Very nicely done. As for the aircon vents, it does not stretch to the end of the passenger seats anymore, but instead is centered at the dashboard. Now, one of the biggest change would be the handbrakes. The mechanical handbrakes is now gone and replaced with the electronic parking brake. And because of that, it allows Mazda to put in a new center console area with a handrest, and inside the console, cup holders. Not one, but 2 cup holders. The back seat is comfortable for a person like me, 5'7". Just nice headroom and legroom. However, I would imagine if it's a 6-footer, might be slightly uncomfortable. But the plus point is there's a new armrest with more cup holders. As you can see, the boot space remains the same, not too big, but if you want a bigger storage space, the rear passenger seats are foldable. This model also comes with an automated emergency braking standard across the CX-3 lineup. The cabin is also said to be quieter thanks to the thicker front and rear door outer panels, thicker rear window glass and improved door sills. To me, this new CX-3 is a tie loose end of the previous model. If you're not too bothered with the space and want a car that's fun to drive but at the same time looks really good, then this car should be it. If you want to find out more about this car, log on to AutoBuzz.my and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.